Welcome back to the Project and Materials YouTube channel. If you want to access additional updates and tutorials on project writing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In our previous video we discussed on research design, research population, sample size, sampling techniques, instrumentation and measurement, validity of instrument, reliability of instrument. Now let's proceed with the administration of instrument. Administration of instruments in research is the process of collecting data from participants using a variety of methods. This includes surveys, interviews, focus groups, and other forms of assessment. The goal is to collect accurate information that can be used for analysis and interpretation. The administration of instruments requires careful planning and preparation before it begins. Researchers must decide which instrument or combination of instruments will best meet their needs and then develop an appropriate protocol for administering them. They should also consider factors such as participant demographics, time constraints, cost considerations, ethical issues related to data collection procedures, etc. when designing the study's methodology. Once these decisions have been made, researchers must ensure that all necessary materials are available prior to beginning the actual administration process. It implies you're to specify the copies of the questionnaire or any other instrument that will be administered, including the mode of distribution and retrieval. Example. Recall that in the background of the study for Chapter 1, we introduced a topic on the effect of social media on human relationships. It implies that the researcher herself distributed the questionnaires to the 400 respondents but on different days. After the distribution of the questionnaires, the researcher carefully explained the purpose of the exercise to the respondents so as to ensure their cooperation in the investigation. The respondents completed the questionnaires, which were collected by the researcher on the spot. This is to avoid creating the opportunity for the respondents to collude with each other, thereby falsifying or doctoring their responses. Recall, administration of instrument is to specify the copies of the questionnaire or any other instrument that will be administered, including the mode of distribution and retrieval. Here are recommendations and advice. Design a clear and concise protocol for instrument administration. Ensure transparency and clarity in explaining the research's purpose to participants. Maintain strict control over the distribution and retrieval of instruments to preserve data integrity. Prevent potential biases or collaboration among participants that could compromise data accuracy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel on Project and Materials for regular updates and more helpful video tutorials. Visit our website for access to project materials and consider hiring our experienced writers for assistance with your project. In our next video we shall discuss on method of data analysis. Remember to share and recommend this video to your friends for project writing insight.